You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this Spanish word. Yes, this is a name that is Spanish originally, so it's sometimes referred to as paddle in English. The original Spanish pronunciation is as pádel, pádel. Therefore, in English, it should be said rather than paddle as paddle, paddle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.